Alright guys, what's going on? About to head over to Cars and Coffee. This is going to be the first Cars and Coffee I go to in my 2018 Mustang, so hopefully it's a good one and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so I was going to go to Cars and Coffee this morning and I did. I have some clips of that I'm going to insert right after this. But Cars and Coffee was sort of a miss. Not all the cars that showed up today. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to talk to you guys about the 3 mods I think are most important when you first buy a Mustang. And this doesn't go for just 2018 Mustangs, this goes for any year. And this is just my opinion, so don't take it to heart. Don't comment, oh, you don't need these mods. These are just my opinions on what I think you guys should do. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. So the first mod that I'm going to talk about is new wheels. And for my car, if you take a look, I got the Rovos Urbans. They're 20-inch staggered setup. So these front wheels are 20 by 8.5. If you take a look at the back wheels, these are 20 by 10. The reason why I went for staggered setup is because it sticks out and I think it looks way more aggressive, especially on a Mustang. Let me know what you guys think about stagger setup. I think it looks really great, especially if you want to go on the drag strip. You get better grip off the line. Yeah, moving on to the second mod that I think is most essential is definitely going to be a new spoiler for your Mustang. The reason why I think you guys should get a new spoiler is because the stock one, yes, it looks good, especially if you get the performance pack on the 2018. However, everyone's going to have it once you have a 2018 Mustang. That's performance pack. Those wings are going to be everywhere, and to set yourself apart, you're definitely going to need something from the aftermarket. And that's exactly why I went with this MMD V series wing. A lot of people do have it, but it looks fantastic, and especially since I wrapped my roof black, it just blends in, especially with the wheels and the roof being black. The spoiler really sets it off. And the third and final mod that I want to talk about for your car is definitely going to be exhaust. So every Mustang I think definitely needs exhaust to make it sound like a Mustang should. And the stock exhaust, especially if you get the active exhaust on these cars, is definitely fine, but an aftermarket exhaust just makes it sound that much more unique, and I just think it makes it sound fantastic, especially since my car is the first one with the active Corsa exhaust system. Subscribe for that if you guys want to see a video of an outside view of the car driving. I do have one coming now since I got a new GoPro, so new video will be coming. It'll probably be coming next week, so stay tuned for that. But on that note, guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. Let's go for 500. When I hit 1,000 subs, I still am doing a giveaway. It's probably going to be a GoPro, so just comment what you guys in the description below what you guys would like to see for a giveaway, and I'll probably make it happen. But again, it's probably going to be a GoPro Hero 6. So just like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.